Where's it at? Let's see. Low, man. Let's see, nigga. Cause you scared. I want you to blow nothing up, though, Diener.
I'm a low, bro.
You a low? That's why you're running away from the fire?
Yep.
Started calling the teacher?
So what? I turn it and I press pilot down, right?
Look up your parents.
All right.
Hang on a second. Oh, yeah. You have to, remember, you got to leave it down until it warms that up a little bit.
So what? I keep it on my hand on there?
Yeah, for a second.
You see what happened last time?
Hey, yo.
Okay, now try it.
You turn the thermostat
No,
on.
do it again.
Thermostat on. Turn it down.
Those pilots just stay lit. What's causing that pilot to stay lit? What is this thing here?
Yeah. That's what I was about to say.
Okay, and the thermocouple does what? The thermocouple did that. So it's telling it that it's got some flame. Well, it's got to warm up enough so that it generates enough voltage. Remember, it's millivolts. It's going to generate enough voltage to keep that pilot open. And once it stays open, then it'll go through the process, and then you can turn it up and down as things go.
Hey, John.
Yeah.
I'm going in the cave.
Okay. All right, let it. See what happens. Here we go. Okay.
Now what?
Now you're going to turn it to the on. Okay.
That's where it went wrong at, right there.
Okay. Now you're on.
C50, you messed me up, bro. You didn't turn on like that.
You turn it on.
Okay, now you're on. Remember, you turn the pilot because it'll push down. Once
Turn
that
the
lights, you know you've got enough temperature to cause the thermocouple to deliver voltage. So then you turn it to the on position.
You turn the thermostat on?
And now you're okay. So you're not leaking here, so you're okay.
Turn on your dinner.
Thermostat?
Okay, now turn the thermostat on, and it'll come on.
Woo! Yeah, that's not right. Yeah, this is supposed to happen right here.
No, just turn that off. Okay. Whoa.
Montana lugged in and run away this time.
Blow it up, look. Turn that wire on fire right there. Turn it off.
Yeah.
It's that wire or what?
So why is this thing?
Be on fire.
The wire that's supposed to be on fire?
The wire